Hello everybody, welcome to Google and welcome to this very special training video that I have for you today. It is all about FileZilla, the FTP client, and FileZilla stands for File Transfer Protocol. And not enough is taught on this FTP client, so hopefully this video will be of some help to a lot of people. Now what you can do with this FileZilla is, again, you can get your website up and out there on Google to be found so that you can earn money or build a list, which is my case. Okay, so I'm going to type in FileZilla in the search bar, and there it is, the very first one, the free FTP solution. I'm going to click on that, and that's going to take me to the FileZilla website. As you can see, that very standoutish logo that they have over there, and you can download FileZilla client, all platforms, for the Mac, believe it or not, and the Linux, and then you can download it, FileZilla server for Windows. So it is covered. That's why a lot of people like FileZilla, because it works very well with the Mac as well as Linux and Windows also. Okay, so that is the most wonderful thing about FileZilla and what people like about it so much, as you can see over there. So that's all you have to do is pick whichever one you want to download it, click it, and then there it is there. Don't matter if it says Windows 7 or Windows 8, it works perfect for all. You click that green button and it's going to take you over to SourceForge. Again, that's SourceForge, and that is a very safe website that you can finish your downloading or do your downloading there. And as you can see, it says we'll download in 3 seconds. And at the bottom of the screen, a little box is going to pop up that will give you the choice to save or save as. And again, I am going to save as. Again, I'm going to click save as, and that's going to save it on my computer. Wherever you want to put it, you can save it on your computer, but don't forget where you put it. Make sure you remember where you put it, and click on save. And then that's going to take me to wherever I'm saved as. I'm going to go look for it so I can actually download it. I'm going to look for wherever I saved it on my computer. And there it is. As you can see, that logo, which stands out, that FZ. And what you're going to do here is you're going to double click on it. Just double click on it and follow the directions for downloading. That's all you have to do. Double click and follow the download instructions. And then once you do that, it's going to take you to a page like this where you can see it has been downloaded onto your server. And then you're just going to go over to your start menu, find it in your start menu by clicking on start, and there it is right there. And you're going to click on it and go over to your programs, I think this is, and find it in programs and click on it, open it up, and click FileZilla, and there it is. So in the next video, I'm going to talk about the first thing you need to do with this FTP client. Hello guys, this is Gwen M, and welcome to this segment of the video. Now in this segment of the video, I'm going to let you watch over my shoulder as I upload a file into my FTP program. The first thing I want to do is I'm going to go over to the start menu and I'm going to click on it. Now you're going to immediately see the FTP program when I click on start because I've been working with it, but in your case you might not. So you can always find it in your all programs by hovering your mouse over all programs and looking for it there. Now once you see it, click on it once, open it up, go down to the FileZilla where you see the logo FZ and click on it and wait for it to open up. Now once it opens up, you're going to see like 4 sections, and each little section can move up and down. You can um, maneuver it the way to make it comfortable for you to work. Okay, now the right side is your FTP program. The left side is your actual computer. Everything that you have downloaded on your computer will be seen on your left side. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is under File in your left hand corner up to the very top. You're going to go look under File and click on the icon that looks like a computer or desktop, and your Site Manager box will pop up. Now, when that Site Manager box pop up, you're going to click on New Site. If this is your brand new site, your first site that you've ever uploaded into your FTP program, then of course you're going to click on New Site. But if you have other sites, you might have 2 or 3 sites or maybe 100 sites already uploaded, then next to that icon that look like a computer, you're going to see the tip of an arrow going down. You can click that, and all of your sites that you have uploaded will show up there. You can scroll down to whichever site that you want to work with. Okay, but in this video we're uploading a new site. Okay, so we're going to click on New Site and type in the name of our new site. Doesn't matter. Type in your hosting program, type in the name of your website, doesn't matter. Type in whatever name you want there, and then your next box you're going to go to host. You're going to type in your web address without the www dot and without the HTTP. You don't need that. Just your domain name.com. That's all you need. In the FTP box, file transfer protocol should be showing there. If it is, leave as is. Inscription, use plain FTP. If that is showing, leave that as is. Log on type. Click that once, scroll down to normal, and make sure normal is showing in the box. Click on normal and make sure it's shown in the box. Now, username and password is going to be the same username and password that you use to get into your cPanel with your hosting program. Okay, so username and password is the same username and password that you use to get into your cPanel with your hosting program. Again, if you're using FTP, you're still going to have to register and purchase a domain name and hosting. Okay, so keep that in mind. And so once you put that information in, you can hit connect and everything should go through. However, if there is something wrong, if some of the information is not right, you're going to see red writing that says critical error, cannot connect to the server. If you see that, that means something is wrong. And in my case, I typed in my password wrong just so you can see how the critical error message will look. So then I'm going back over to my site manager and I'm going to correct it and put in the right password and watch everything go through. Now, when everything goes through, in order to, you're going to look over to your right and you're going to see something like .cpanel and .fantastico data. That shows you're in your right area. You are to look for public HTML. Look for public HTML every time you're going to do any kind of work on your site, on your pages, with the folders on the inside of your site. You're going to work in your public HTML. Okay, but if this is a brand new site, everything should be looking empty. You should just see a folder with nothing in it. Now to upload, you're going to go back over to your left, look for whatever you want to upload, whether it's a sales page, landing page, thank you page, download page, it doesn't matter. Look for it over there, click on it one time. You got to open it up and expose all the files on the inside, because you're going to upload each and every file one at a time. Make sure that you upload all the files that you have in your landing page or sales page, whatever you're uploading. And you can do that by just clicking on your first file, right click, and then left click, and you're going to see something that says upload. You're going to click on upload, and it's going to upload over to your right side. and you should be able to see it upload. And you're going to go to your second file, do the same thing. You're going to right click, and then you're going to left click and go up to upload, click upload, and you should see it upload over on the right side. And that's all there is to it when you are uploading files to your FTP client. Coming up next, I am going to share with you how to create a folder and folder name. So guys, stay tuned because that is coming up next. Okay, now in this segment of the video, I'm going to show you how to make a folder and how to name that folder. Okay, it's a little more advanced, but still all the same, is still very, very, very simple. Okay, now as you know, on the left side is your computer, on the right side is all of your hosting information, and it's your FTP client on this side, on the right side. Okay, now on to the computer side. Let's say we're going to upload sample pictures and put it over here in our files. And this file is, again, it's the new site. This is my new site files right here. So I want to upload sample pictures to my new file. And again, I'm going to right click and I'm going to left click and upload and watch it upload over here. Now, let's say that I open this. This can be opened by just clicking on it like that, and these are all the files that's in it. Okay, now let's just say for this video that it was just these files out there like this with no folder at all. No folder at all. Let's just say that this folder didn't exist. This has no folder. So what I can do to make a folder for these files is go over here, and in the space under here, I'm going to right click. I'm going to scroll down to create a directory. Create directory. Click on it, and I'm going to name it whatever I want my folder to be named. And maybe I want my folder to be named My Pictures. And then I'm going to hit OK. And there it is. There's my folder for my pictures. So I'm going to click on it. And this is my pictures folder. And of course, it's brand new. It is empty. So again, to get my files over there, I'm going to click on it, upload. And there is my first one, uploaded into my new folder. I'm going to do the same for all of these files. As you can see them upload into my new folder over here. And again, as you watch, as I name the folder My Pictures, there it is there. Click on it, close it up, there it is, open it up, and there are all the files that I put in it. Again, and that's it. That's how easy it is to make a folder and to name that folder. Okay, and I will be right back there, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, now this brings us to the close of video 1. Now in video 2, I'm going to show you how to protect all of the work that you have done in your FTP client, and you're going to protect them with snooper pages, so you don't want to miss that. And I'm also going to show you how to create your download links so that you can give them to your customers if you are selling a product. So you don't want to miss video 2, guys. You need to click the link below this video and visit Gwen's List Building Strategies 101 and go up to my training center. So I'll see you guys there. Talk to you soon.